Top 5 Photo and Video Editing Tools Every VA Should Know. Adobe Photoshop is one of the best tools in terms of image manipulation. What's good about Photoshop is that even if it's packed with different features, the program or the tool itself doesn't lag. This is important especially when you need to edit images if you're an Amazon seller VA, eBay seller VA, and even a social media VA. Canva is free, but you'll need internet access to use it. With a user-friendly interface and ready-to-use templates, Canva has become a favorite among virtual assistants. If you're a beginner in photo editing and would want to learn the basics easily, then Canva is for you. Camtasia been around for over a decade. Because of this, it has been considered as the standard for video editing software today. Camtasia boasts of its diverse video editing tools that can easily be learned by an interested virtual assistant. With basic tools such as recording, trimming, adding music and connecting videos, Camtasia also offers different special effects like adding captions and texts, annotations, adjustment of audio with additional features like video transitions and animation. Screenflow, useful for bloggers who would want to bring in more traffic. Screenflow allows you to create or to edit product reviews, product demonstrations, and even recordings of video call interviews. With the help of special effects and animation, it helps virtual assistants create more compelling videos for their clients. PicMonkey allows users to manipulate photos to make them more interesting and compelling. It also comes with a variety of templates and fonts that will help you make an attractive poster or banner for social media posts. It's also a useful tool in creating collages for products your client wants to promote. You can also use PicMonkey to create logos, business cards, posters, and online greeting cards.